everybody. Today I'll be playing Mint Chocolate Tower. And sorry if the background is making a lot of noise because I'm using my hands to cover the micro speaker, I guess. So just turn the volume off and yeah. So today I'll be playing Mint Chocolate Tower, but in fair and square. If you don't use it in fair and square, it's like you use the gravity coil as the cheating thing. Oh, my best friend joined. Hello! Hey, gal. So we are basically actually the best of friends. We've known each other for like 4 years or so. And yeah. So I'm not using the gravity coil because as what I said, I'm playing fair and square. Yup. I did change into a Halloween theme, guys, though. Because she told me. Okay, I didn't want to. I want to be a bacon. Bacons are cute, you know? God, lag. You're lagging, bro? I call her bro. I don't know. She's a girl. Sorry if there are really a lot of background noises. I decided to play Mint Tower because it's like really fun for me. So I just... Oh my god, I almost fell there. Yum. I love ice cream. Don't you guys love ice cream? I mean, ice cream is one of my favorite my favorite food. But it's not food. It's actually dessert. And it doesn't count as food, I guess. But you can eat it, though. I love chocolate, but I don't like mint. You know why I don't like mint? Because it's really spicy for my tongue, for my mouth. So you don't walk on the glowy platform because you would just fall through the whole game. I mean, sorry if there are really background noises. I repeated this for the third time. Do not hate me because this game doesn't have any shift locks. So, yeah. Sorry if I'm lagging to you, and sorry if the video's lagging. Oh no, I hate doing wraparound rolls. Okay. Ooh, these chocolates look really tasty. Oh, but I just lagged there. It's like a lag jump, so I'm fine with it. Oh! Oh my god, why did I freaking just... Never mind. Oh, it's already 3 minutes? I didn't know. Hey, no! I have to redo. I just heard an oof sound right there. Ooh, yummy mint chocolate. No, I'm wrecked. Sorry guys, I just didn't want to play until now because I don't want to. So, yeah, today I'll be telling you about my life, plus playing Chocolate Tower and Fair and Square. So, my life has been really cool lately. You know, when I'm at my mom's place, my stepdad grounded me for not playing iPad for 2 weeks, I guess? Since I've been really good lately. you, bro. Can I tell? Can I tell something about you? Because I want to know how you are like, so you get more subscribers. You only have 2 subscribers, so let's go on this. Oh no, it makes me hungry. Okay, that's something. Just say your name and yeah. Just say your name. Oof. It's tagged. I'll just say Emma's name, you know? Since her name is Emma, but her past name is Elsa. Kind of cringy, right? I didn't want to make this video, but I don't want it to be all about her. Can I go out? I can see you. Oh no, that's creepy. Oh no, that's creepy. Oh. So it's almost my birthday, like in a month or so. I'm planning to go on a vacation, so you won't be seeing me for a while. I won't be posting for a while. And my birthday is near Christmas, so wait, let me calculate real quick. Should I make this speed? I guess so. I make this speed. Should I make this speed? Oh, okay, this is the part where I always fall. Sure. Okay. How many seconds should I make this to speed? I think 110 is fine. Okay, bye. Okay, you know what? I quit. I'm gonna cheat. Let me grab this freaking gravity coil. Well, I die. Okay, wait, let me reset my character. I don't get it! Another server, please. Another server, please. Yeah, I'm gonna. So guys, I'm not actually Korean. I'm actually HK, which you don't know what that means. If you don't know what that means, you can search it up. Wait. Wait. Hold on. What's that? I didn't get it. So you don't have to be so rude. So there are a lot of technical difficulties. Goodbye, guys.